Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone, covering the 2025 Oppo F30 Pro, up to 800 words, structured into intro, features, exterior design, and conclusion, all in a natural tone and without headings or numbered lists. Welcome to FK iPhone, the channel where we break down the latest in mobile tech without any sugarcoating. Today we're diving into the brand new Oppo F30 Pro, the 2025 edition, and trust me, Oppo has brought some serious heat with this one. Whether you're an Oppo fan or just phone curious, stay tuned because this one is worth a look. The Oppo F30 Pro is packed with some pretty solid upgrades that make it feel like a true flagship killer. Starting with the display, Oppo went all in this time. It comes with a large AMOLED panel that's smooth and vivid. The refresh rate is buttery and makes everything from scrolling through apps to gaming feel incredibly fluid. Oppo also made sure it's bright enough for any lighting condition, whether you're out in the sun or chilling in bed. Under the hood, the F30 Pro is powered by a next-gen chipset that delivers top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, multitasking like crazy, or just watching videos, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. The RAM and internal storage options are generous too, so you won't have to worry about your phone slowing down after a few months of use. Battery life is another win. The F30 Pro packs a big battery that easily lasts a full day, and thanks to Oppo's insanely fast charging tech, you can juice it up in what feels like no time. This is the kind of battery experience every user wants, reliable and fast. Let's talk cameras, because Oppo is clearly flexing its skills here. The rear camera setup is versatile and sharp, giving you wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto options that actually perform well. Low-light shots come out clean and balanced, while portrait mode gives you that crisp background blur that just looks professional. The selfie camera is no slouch either. It captures detail and skin tones really well, even in average lighting. Oppo also added some new AI tricks that improve your shots automatically without you needing to fiddle with settings. The software experience feels refined. ColorOS on the F30 Pro is smooth, clean, and packed with smart features. There's less bloat than before, and the customization options let you really make the phone feel like your own. From gesture controls to always-on display tweaks, Oppo gives you the tools to make this device work for you. Now let's take a minute to appreciate the exterior. Oppo nailed the design this year. The F30 Pro feels premium from every angle. It's slim, lightweight, and has those elegant curves that sit perfectly in your hand. The matte finish on the back resists fingerprints and gives off that subtle, premium vibe. And if you're into flashy colors, Oppo dropped a few bold options that really stand out without looking cheap. Button placement is comfortable, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate. You've also got solid stereo speakers, a nice haptic feedback system, and yes, it's IP rated for water and dust resistance. It's the kind of build that feels like it should cost more than it actually does. Now let's wrap this up. The Oppo F30 Pro is honestly one of the strongest mid to high-end phones you can get in 2025. It delivers across the board: display, performance, battery, camera, and design. Oppo didn't just try to keep up with the competition, they tried to set the pace. For anyone looking to upgrade without paying flagship prices, this phone should be on your radar. And that's it for today's breakdown. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more no-nonsense phone content. Let us know in the comments if you'd rock the F30 Pro or if you're waiting on something else. This is FK iPhone, and we'll catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version with voiceover cues or B-roll suggestions.